Hello everybody, it's Laura Angel with Mississippi State Extension, and I'm from DeSoto County. I just wanted to come on here today and say hi and hope you guys are doing okay. Today I have with me the Extension brown bags, and so these are the brown bags that you can pick up at the Extension office. In DeSoto County, you could pick up the brown bags. And so I'm going to go through some of the information that you received in your brown bag and kind of give you some more information about it. And so let's learn about sweet potatoes. Inside your kit, you got a mason jar or some type of jar. You got toothpicks and you got a sweet potato. And so these sweet potatoes were donated to us, and so we thought we would use them in our first grab and go kit for adults. And so what you're going to do with your jar is you're going to grow your own sweet potatoes. And so you're going to start by placing the toothpicks into your sweet potato and kind of make a triangle or just stick them all around, and then you're trying to you will fill up your jar with water. And I know some of you have already done this at home, and so you're going to fill it up with water and you're going to insert your sweet potato. I need more water in mine. But you're going to insert it in there, and you'll change the water every 3 to 4 days. And you're looking for, you're going to start seeing shoots come out of your sweet potatoes, and they're called slips. And so you're going to start growing your own sweet potato vine. And so this would be really pretty if you wanted to plant it in a pot when it gets ready, and you can see the vines cascade down. Or if you want to, you can plant them in your garden. If you have a home garden going on, that would be a great thing. And so if you want to know more information on growing sweet potatoes in Mississippi, we gave you guys the publication for growing sweet potatoes at home. And so I know there might not be enough time for you to get huge, big sweet potatoes in your home garden, but you could sure try. It takes sometimes 90 to 120 days for the sweet potatoes to fully mature, but you can read all about growing your sweet potatoes at home in your publication that you got with your grab and go. So you need to, for your grab and go kit, complete it, and then either text me or you can send us an email at desoto@mstate.edu. And so email us, and I'll put in the comments above, I will put the email and my number to text if you did the brown bag grab and go kit. And so you're going to text me a picture of you or your sweet potato so that you get credit for this week's grab and go kit. You also in there will find information about purchasing sweet potatoes because you can buy them in the grocery store. And so I think your paper is actually orange that you got in your kit, but there's information about how to select sweet potatoes. To make sure that I covered something, I had some sweet potatoes that my dad grew, and they're still around from last summer. And when you're in the store, don't buy and purchase sweet potatoes that are cracked and things like this. So this one needs to be tossed in the trash or cut around, but this isn't one that you would want to purchase. You're going to want to purchase one and select one that's small to medium in size, or maybe even a large one, but you want it to be firm and smooth and even colored skin, and you want it to but we hope that you enjoyed your grab and go kit this week. I'm sorry, it looks like I'm having some connection issues, so I'm glad that you guys are watching. But if you want to join me each week in June on Mondays, you can do a grab and go kit. And so you pick those up at the DeSoto County Extension office, and you enter the main doors into our hallway, and you can you're actually getting those for free. And so you're just grabbing those and you're going. If you contact Kelsey Martin, our 4-H agent, she actually has a kit for youth, and she's got 4-H camp in a box that can be purchased. And so if you have 4-Hers that you want to get involved this summer, make sure that you contact Kelsey about the grab and go kits for kids and the 4-H camp in a box. And so she's got that, and they're $20, and you can purchase those through Kelsey. We have a very limited number of camp in a box, but I wanted to give a promo out to the 4-H and to the camp in a box because that runs in July, but you need to be making plans now if you want to buy those. But I hope that you enjoy growing your sweet potatoes. If you have any questions about sweet potatoes, add those to the comments here on this video, and we will try to answer them. So have fun growing them at home, plant them in your garden, and see how big they grow. We might need a contest in October to see who has grown the biggest sweet potatoes. And so hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to like, comment, and share on this post so that it gets more visibility for people. And so we hope that you guys have a great day, stay safe, and we'll see you later.